Okay, hi, this is Nick,
And this is Sarah.
and this is our final data structures project for COSC2100 Fall 2018. The application that we're about to show you is built using Scene Builder and JavaFX. The purpose of this project is to design a food ordering service using underlying data structures.
So we're going to start off by showing you how the sign-up process works, and we're going to create a new user. As you can see, there are specific password requirements that when not met will alert the user.
So I'm going to put in an A for the password, and as you can see, this violates all of the requirements needed to create a legit user. So we're going to just put in the corrects. We're going to do capital C, X, C, 1, 2, 3.
And then when these password requirements are met, it takes you to the home page. So we're going to terminate the program and restart and show you how it works when we start with the login process.
And as you can see, the new user was just added to the user text file. So we're going to log in.
And again, it requires your specific password and username, and if mistakes are made, it will.
So if I added a 4 at the end here, so when I log in, it's going to say incorrect username password. Same thing for password, for username, same deal. Correct.
And again, we're taken to the home screen. And so here there are multiple different ways you can search for a restaurant. You can either use the drop-down menus for type of dining, type of cuisine, or price range, or you can search directly in the search bar. We're going to just search for a random restaurant. And then the restaurants that meet that criteria pop up on the right-hand side of the screen.
So we're going to start with Potbelly, and we want to look at this restaurant, so we're going to go see restaurant.
And then when you view the restaurant, you can see the restaurant's address, phone number, email, type of dining, type of cuisine, and price range. And then you can also see the menu items. And then from here, you can either go and review and see reviews of a restaurant, you can go home, or you can order.
So we're gonna go review this restaurant, and as you can see from the restaurant page, that there are already multiple reviews that have been written for this restaurant, and they are organized in a tree. So where the review is the node, and then the users and their ratings are the subnodes within those trees, and then within that is the reviews themselves. As you can see, the average rating of all the users' reviews and ratings is calculated and presented up here. You can also write your own review. So for this publisher, Brilo, we're going to write a review called Fantastic. And we're going to get review great food. Okay, so we're going to publish. And as you can see, there is an error saying missing review components. So the reason for this error is there was no rating given for the restaurant. In order for a review to be considered a complete review, you need to have all three components. So we're going to publish successful. As you can see, this was not updated. In order for it to update, you need to rerun the program, and the program has to read through the updated review list in order for it to be published.
So then we're going to go back to the home screen, and we're going to show you how the ordering process works. So we're just going to select a random restaurant, and then we're going to click order. So when you get to the order page, there's a drop-down menu that has all of the menu items for this restaurant as well as their price. You can add the items as you like, and on the right-hand side of the screen, there's a running order of your total. If you push clear, your order total will restart, and then you can add items again. Once you finish choosing the items you would like to add, you can push done, and a text box pops up that lets you know your order has been placed, how much your order total is, where your order can be picked up, and about how long it will take to pick it up. So then now we're going to show you the text files that hold all of our data and how they're read into this program.
Okay, so real quick, this is the user data. So all users who have ever created an account on this program will be stored here, and they will be saved, and they'll be read in every single time the program is run. And they're ordered, or they are organized in a list formats containing the username and the password. No two usernames can be exactly the same. And yeah, same thing with the review data. All reviews are contained within the same text file. The only thing that separates them, so when you want to go to a specific restaurant, is it will look for the review that has the same location, because you can have multiple restaurants with the same name but different locations, and you want to make sure that you separate those because they are technically not the same restaurant. You want to make sure those reviews remain separate. Restaurant data is a little more complicated because there are multiple components within each restaurant that need to be organized and categorized accordingly. However, the same method applies for organizing these. These are all contained within a list. And then within that list, there is also the menu, which is its own sublist within each restaurant object. These are all organized when the program is run initially. The first thing it immediately does is it updates all of the lists of the users, reviews, and the restaurants, so that when it's always updated and completely ready. So we're gonna go and just quickly run this again to show you how the review was updated. So. Hello. So we're gonna go fine. We're gonna go back to Popular because that's what I'm reviewed. As you can see, the average rating changed, and that review is now not added.
So this is our project for COSC2100. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, we enjoyed.